I'm sure by now you clearly understand the feature, advantages and benefit. Let's actually practice these learnings while pitching for transitions. Aren't you curious to know how to go about?
Transitions are adaptive lenses. Adaptive का मतलब है जो अपने आप को ऑटोमेटिकली एडजस्ट कर ले। ये बदलती रोशनी के हिसाब से खुद को एडजस्ट कर लेता है। That means it changes its color according to the light condition.
अच्छा, ये वो है ना, day and night?
No sir, it isn't. Unlike those day-night or old-fashioned photochromic lenses, it doesn't react to the light like a power switch. कि रोशनी बढ़ी तो डार्क हो गया और घटी तो क्लियर. Instead, it acts like a dimmer in which clarity and darkness are controlled by the intensity of light. Its speciality is seamless adaptability. साफ शब्दों में, अगर रोशनी में थोड़ा सा भी फर्क हो तो ये फर्क आपको महसूस नहीं होगा. It will smoothly adjust itself to keep the amount of light most suitable for your eyes. और ये लाइट चेंज पर इतनी क्विकली रिस्पॉन्ड करता है कि आपको पता ही नहीं चलता. यानी स्मूथ भी और फास्ट भी.
How does it do this?
It has a superior dye, much better than any other dye in the world, which ensures that when you're indoors, it is as clear as clear lens. ये अब तक की सबसे एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी है.
अच्छा, बट इससे कोई खास फर्क पड़ता है क्या?
जी हाँ सर, transitions corrects your vision.
Yes, but that's what a lens does, isn't it?
Vision is all about eye and light. How good your eyes are and how good is the light condition. Complete vision correction means correcting both the eye vision and the light condition. Let me explain it to you. Ordinary lenses correct only the eye power, but they cannot address the different light condition. Transitions is the only lens that takes care of both. As I told you, because it's an adaptive lens, it makes sure that the right amount of light reaches your eyes in all conditions. When it's too bright, transitions lens reduces the excess amount of light, and when it's dark, it allows the maximum amount of light जिससे आप clear देख सकें. And not just that, your eyes are protected from sun glare too. इसकी सुपीरियर डाई के और भी कई फायदे हैं. एक ये कि ये आपको 100% यूवी प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है और आपकी आंखों को उसके बुरे असर से बचाता है. और दूसरा, लेंस के परफॉर्मेंस में सालों तक कभी कोई कमी नहीं आती. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने देखा होगा कि सस्ते फोटोक्रोमिक लेंसेज कुछ समय बाद डार्क रह जाते हैं. ट्रांजिशंस के साथ आपको कभी ऐसी शिकायत नहीं होगी.
So what you mean to say is that transitions are one step ahead of photochromic lenses?
Definitely, sir. In fact, more. What I mean to say is that transitions are the only lens that offer complete vision correction and provide a visual experience that can't be matched by any other product. In sum total, तो आपके लिए transitions lens के 4 सबसे मेन फायदे हैं over ordinary lenses. First, it offers complete vision correction and not just simple eye correction. Second, by offering complete vision correction, they provide you with natural visual experience in all light conditions. Third, providing this natural visual experience ensures that your eyes remain cool. No strain on your eyes, no fatigue and no headache. Fourth, by cutting off harmful UV rays, they reduce the possibility of cataract.
Isn't this pitch more convincing? Don't you think the customer will now be persuaded into buying transition? I'm sure he will. I'm sure you all had a very good learning experience in applying the probing pitch to identify the 4 buckets of customers and tapping into the social motivational factors. And you also learned a new persuasive way of pitching transition. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the experience.